Welcome to North Alabama Dumpsters LLC, your reliable choice for dumpster rental in Gadsden, Alabama. Whether it's a home renovation, construction project, or cleanup, we have the perfect dumpster to suit your needs. At North Alabama Dumpsters LLC, we offer a range of dumpster sizes tailored to handle any waste disposal challenge. Our fast and efficient services ensure your project stays on track, with prompt delivery and pickup every time. Quality and customer satisfaction are our top priorities at North Alabama Dumpsters LLC. We provide clean, durable dumpsters ready to handle all your debris, no matter the size of your project. Our friendly team is here to guide you through every step of the dumpster rental process. From choosing the right size to arranging flexible rental periods, North Alabama Dumpsters LLC is committed to making your experience easy and stress-free. As a locally owned and operated business, North Alabama Dumpsters LLC understands the unique needs of our Gadsden community. We're proud to offer affordable and dependable dumpster rental services that help keep our town clean and green. Renting a dumpster has always been challenging with North Alabama Dumpsters LLC. With straightforward online booking and transparent pricing, you can focus on your project while we handle the waste. Need a dumpster? Call 256-931-5300 or visit our website at www.northalabamadumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Gadsden AL to reserve your dumpster today. North Alabama Dumpsters LLC, your trusted partner for reliable dumpster rentals in Gadsden, Alabama.